The best 7 diabetes-friendly meal ideas you need to know. Are you tired of juggling your diet while managing diabetes? Good news. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or complicated. In today's video, we're sharing the best 7 diabetes-friendly meal ideas that are both delicious and packed with the nutrients your body craves. Let's dive in. Your diet is your most powerful tool for managing blood sugar. Making the right decisions can keep your energy steady and cravings at bay. But here's the best part. It's not just about what you can't eat. It's about embracing satisfying and healthy food choices. With these mouth-watering meal ideas, you'll learn how to make every bite a step toward better health. Let's explore some flavorful options that will keep your diet exciting and balanced. Breakfast is the most important meal, especially for diabetics. Why? It sets the tone for stable blood sugar levels all day. Try avocado toast on whole grain bread. Packed with fiber and healthy fats, it's a perfect start to your morning. Prefer a warm option? How about oatmeal paired with fresh berries? The fiber slows sugar absorption and keeps you fuller, longer. For lunch, we need something that's quick, delicious, and diabetes-friendly. Meet your new favorite. Grilled chicken and quinoa salad. It's loaded with lean protein, whole grains, and greens to keep your body fueled. Or how about a turkey and veggie wrap? Swap in a low-carb tortilla, add plenty of crunchy vegetables, and drizzle with hummus for a satisfying yet healthy option. Smart snacking can bridge gaps between meals, keeping your glucose levels steady. Think Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of nuts for a protein boost. Or munch on crispy veggie sticks with guacamole for a tasty and fiber-rich alternative. The goal? Keep snacks simple, wholesome, and easy to prepare when hunger strikes. Who says healthy dinners can't be delicious? Try baked salmon with asparagus for a winning combination of omega-3s and vitamins. Pair it with a side of cauliflower rice for a low-carb treat. Another great option is turkey stuffed bell peppers. Filled with lean protein, veggies, and a touch of spice, this dish is hearty, satisfying, and easy to make. Yes, diabetics can enjoy dessert too. How about some chia seed pudding with almond milk? This creamy, low-sugar dessert is fiber-packed and guilt-free. Fruit lovers will adore a bowl of fresh berries topped with a dollop of sugar-free whipped cream. A sweet yet healthy way to satisfy a craving without going off track. Meal prep is the secret to success. Spend some time each week planning and preparing your meals so you're never caught off guard. Shop for fresh, whole ingredients and experiment with herbs and spices to elevate flavors without relying on salt or sugar. And remember, portion control matters. Even healthy meals can lead to spikes if consumed in oversized amounts. Stick to the recommended serving sizes to keep things balanced. There you have it, the best 7 diabetes-friendly meal ideas to make your life healthier and tastier. These simple yet nourishing recipes prove that managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on flavor or fun. Adopting a diabetes-friendly diet doesn't mean sacrificing enjoyment. It simply requires mindful choices that nourish the body while satisfying taste buds. Planning and prepping meals weekly can help manage diabetes effectively, ensuring tasty, balanced options that support a healthy lifestyle without compromising on flavor. Enjoyed this video? Show your support by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert-backed health tips and recipes. Tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Share this with someone who needs it, because healthy eating is always better together. See you in the next video.